Hello everyone, I am Kushagar Rajagorav and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're exploring the intriguing topic of corrosion through an experiment called electricity versus iron. We'll investigate how electricity affects iron and observe the process of corrosion in real time. We will delve into the science behind these reactions and uncover the effects of electrical currents on metal. The name of this experiment is electricity versus iron. First, the safety rules. Remember to put on protective gloves and eyewear when conducting the experiment, and make sure you conduct the experiment on a safety underlay. For this experiment, you'll need some sodium ascorbate, or known as food additive, and some NaCl, known as table salt. You will also need a glass 150 ml beaker for this. For this experiment, you will also need a case to hold the batteries and some crocodile clips. And the last thing that you'll be needing to conduct this experiment are some iron strips. Here are the materials I mentioned that you will need to conduct this experiment. Now I will tell you the step-by-step instruction to conduct this experiment. For first, we will have to prepare an electrolyte solution with some ordinary table salt or NaCl. To prepare an electrolyte solution, we will have to fill the glass beaker with 125 ml of room temperature water. For the next step, we will have to pour 1 small spoon of NaCl or table salt. For the second step, we have to pour 2 big spoons of sodium ascorbate or food additive. And sodium ascorbate, stir the solution for about 30 seconds. By adding the ordinary table salt NaCl, we accelerate the decomposition of iron Fe, and in the sodium ascorbate which we added, we'll visualize the traces of decomposed iron within the solution. After you have mixed the solution for 30 seconds, make sure that the NaCl and sodium ascorbate are completely dissolved. After that, take 2 iron strips and immerse them completely within the water, and leave one end of the strip outside. After that, take the battery holder and connect it to the crocodile tips, and then connect each crocodile tip to one of the iron strips. And after that, give it 2 minutes and wait for a chemical reaction to happen within the water. After a while, the water around the iron strip that's connected to the black wire will start bubbling, and then around 2 to 10 minutes, the color of the water will start changing to the color purple. Make sure to remember that when you're inserting the batteries into its case holder, that you mind the polarity and remove the batteries after the experiment. Okay, so explanation. So corrosion is the process where metals like iron deteriorate when electrons are removed from them. For instance, iron rusts over time when exposed to water and oxygen, transforming from shiny metal into a crumbly orange-brown substance. Another method of causing iron to decompose is through a battery. A battery acts as an electron pump, moving electrons from the iron strip at the positive electrode to the negative electrode. This process gradually breaks down the iron, converting it from metallic iron Fe to ionic iron Fe2+. The Fe2+ ions are faintly colored, but ascorbate ions from sodium ascorbate can detect them. When Fe2+ ions are present, ascorbate ions react with them to form a purple compound called iron ascorbate.